And yeah, it was just like a lively experience to see, but at the same time, you can also, I'll call out some like little hypocrisy where, okay, like yeah, we're in this march, and all these like indigenous leaders, they're looking strong, men, they're holding arms and they're marching down, but at the same time, like we are being bombarded by photographers and people that just think of us as photo ops when we wear regalia, and think of it as costume and think of it as performative, as opposed to a ceremony that we're holding, as opposed to like protection that we're calling for our homelands and our waters. And then there was also now we had to kind of have like almost like a little barrier in a way, and it was held down by a lot of like indigenous women and women in general, and that was just interesting like sight to see, right? Because we also amplify dynamics that sometimes we don't always want to replicate, right? From empire and from colonialism. But at the same time, like there's still ways in which like our indigenous ways of being are still being presented, are still being preserved, are still being perpetuated, and really keep that fire going.